The most common symptom is the oil pressure warning light illuminating on your dashboard. First, check your oil level. If the oil level is fine, use an OBD tool to try and reset the light. If the light persists, the wiring to the sensor might be shorted or the sensor itself is faulty. If the oil pressure gauge needle jumps erratically, this can indicate a failing sensor. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage. It should be steady. If the voltage fluctuates or is outside the manufacturer's specified range, the sensor needs replacing. Low oil pressure can cause engine knocking or ticking noises due to inadequate lubrication. When oil pressure drops, metal engine parts rub against each other without proper lubrication, creating these concerning sounds. To fix this issue, immediately top up the engine oil to restore proper lubrication and pressure. If the noise continues after adding oil, replace the oil pressure sensor. Ignoring this symptom can lead to significant engine damage, so address it promptly. Symptom 4. Poor lubrication due to a faulty oil pressure sensor can cause the engine to overheat. The gauge shows erratic low pressure readings. Symptom 5. You might also experience reduced engine performance, like misfires or stalling. In this case, try cleaning or replacing a clogged sensor, and update your ECU software if that's the cause. Symptom 6 involves a check engine light appearing on your dashboard, often accompanied by oil-related diagnostic codes such as P0521. This indicates an issue with the oil pressure sensor. To fix this, use an OBD scanner to read and clear the codes, then replace the faulty sensor. Symptom 7 is a burning oil smell, which might indicate oil leaks from the sensor port due to a damaged seal. To address this, replace the seal around the sensor and perform a pressure test to ensure no further leaks. For simple fixes, use DIY tools like a multimeter and an OBD scanner. Sensor replacement typically costs $50 to $200 for parts. If the problems persist or you're not comfortable working on your car, seek professional diagnosis to prevent engine damage. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding oil pressure sensor failures. Regular oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles help prevent sludge buildup and contamination that can damage the sensor. Looking ahead, future trends include IoT-enabled sensors that provide real-time monitoring for predictive maintenance, allowing early detection of potential issues through continuous data transmission. AI diagnostics will analyze sensor data using machine learning algorithms to predict failures more accurately, helping prevent costly breakdowns before they occur.